Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create an account here in PAYSAFECARD. So let's get started. So first, all we want to do is go to their registration site. So let's just search PAYSAFECARD, register, and after that you will be popped here, and you want to click here and sign up for my PAYSAFECARD. And now you're here. What you want to do is first select your language. And what I want to have is English, so I'll just select Australia and continue. And in here, you want to just fill up your email address and password. Let's say I'll use this one just for the sake of a tutorial here. And you want to say your password, correct, and there. And then after that, you have the option to get offers if you want to check it. But I don't want that, so let's just continue. And here, we need to verify your email address. So you need to go to your email and then click the link there so that you can verify, confirm. There, your email is successfully verified. If it shows this, then you can go back to the sign up page and then continue. And then you need to provide your personal details and let's say tutorial and date of birth is verified or no 2000. Let's just say that. So after we have entered our personal details, we will be popped here and it says enter your address details, and here you need to fill up the street, house number, postcode, and city. Obviously, this is not right because this is just a random, this is just for a tutorial. So I have put that, and after you have filled in the necessary details, you have to click here on continue so that we can move on to the next step. And in here, it will ask you to enter your mobile number, which is an Australian number, but I currently don't have one, but let's just say at a random one here. And then after you have entered your mobile number, it will send a 6-digit code to that number and you will need to input it here. And after you have done that, after you have successfully and correctly entered that 6-digit code here, you will be prompted into the main dashboard of your account, which means you have successfully created your account. And that is how you create your account here in PaySafe.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.